Something else you might want to add to news, to widgets, or to content areas are hyperlinks. An example is right here. If we click this, a new web page opens. So let's see how we can add something like that. And we'll just stay at the home page and we'll add a new news item. And we'll say the SEC homepage. I want to paste the text that I copied off the clipboard. And I want to emphasize that that's often just the amount of information that the address bar in a web browser needs, but we want to write a full URL. So we would add http:// and then that information. All right. Well, if we look at this and we say save, let's go back to our course home and see what we've got. Well, we've got the information, but it's not a live link. It's not blue and underlined the way the other one was. So let's see how we edit that to make that a live link. I'm going to click back on the pencil. I'm going to select and copy this full URL. And now we're going to use a new tool on the basic toolbar. It's also available on the advanced toolbar, but it's the hyperlink. Looks like a little chain link. This dialog box opens. We have to choose what kind of link it is, what kind of category of link. So URL. It puts up a box for us. I'm going to paste over the top of the text that's here. And then I'm going to say, what text do I want this to be? This could be SEC homepage. It could be the same text that is the link itself. And one of the things I have to decide is, how do I want this link to act? How do I want it to open? Do I want it inside D2L? Do I want it in a new window? Primarily, I'll be clicking on a new window to open. And now I'll say insert. Notice in our edit mode, it now seems to be a live link. I'll say save, go to the home page, and sure enough, that's a live link. Let's test and see whether or not it opens in a new browser window. Didn't like my link. That'll happen to you too sometimes. Don't laugh at me. So I better go fix it. Let's see how I can fix it. There was a little clue. An easy answer would be for me to go into the edit HTML source. And I'm thinking it did not like this space at the end of the link. I'll click update. Click save. Go to course home. Click my link again. Whew, it worked. But I'm imagining that you might struggle with links. So let's do this again. So we might have to start over. I'm going to highlight this link, copy it. I actually cut it, didn't I? I'm going to highlight this link, copy it. I'll get rid of the one that doesn't work. And I know where I want to paste the link, so that's where my cursor is. Let's do this over. Paste. I want to make sure that my cursor is right at the end here. Not a space beyond that, but right at that end. And down here, I'll paste again, choose new window, say insert. It's underlined, that's a good sign. But the true test is going to your home page, clicking that link, and seeing that it works.